Dear friends, today I am going to explain you for how to register for AICTE Training and Learning Academy programs that are faculty development programs are being given by All India Council for Technical Education. There are simple 3 steps that you need to follow. One is you need to log in first of all. Once you log in, you will be reaching to this AICTE Academy website. In that you will have to enter your user ID and password, and you need to sign in. So after signing in, you will be proceeding to this particular page called workshops. In this general details, profile, workshops, applied workshops, attendance, feedback, and certification, and all those things are there. So once you complete these faculty development programs offered by AICTE, so that test marks will be checked and certificates will be issued. So once you are reaching to this page, you will be seeing n number of faculty development programs offered by various universities and institutes of national importance in India. So you will see many courses in this, beginning from life skills management, engineering, national education policy related, management related, and technology related, and artificial intelligence related. There are so many programs. Once you do that, you can find out which program suits you, and you can enroll for that. And it is a condition that you need to you can avail only 4 programs maximum, not more than that, so that you can choose the interested one and which suits your core domains. So I am clicking on this particular course called organizational behavior in the domain of management. So once you confirm on this, clicking on this particular button, your registration will be confirmed. So this is yes, you have successfully applied for this workshop. So this is how you can enroll for this faculty development programs offered by this AICTE, and we have an academy called AICTE Training and Learning Academy called Atal Academy. So these programs are offered by AICTE, that is All India Council for Technical Education, and these programs are very valuable since this corona pandemic is troubling all of us. AICTE has taken a very good step to offer these FDPs through online. So all of you please register and get knowledgeable inputs from these faculty development programs, and also receive the certificate after successful completion of the program. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to Teja Solutions.